Hello, lovely fans of Poleeno Multimedia. We are once here again. My name is Strongman, and then with me on Instagram, Poleeno_. Kamakana, the Ebusi, then of course, still now we on the beef. What I say, beef no me there in Koyi Mame no credit back. The whole beef in Koyi Mame. We will be some adding because I know some rappers and I make beef. What I say, but they say I say rapper best dance or they are. I don't like that beef. Omunchum, sa for their Shatta Wale Sarkodie. Then you say another match. The match is between Sarkodie and a Strongman. Another Strongman and a Yaa Pono. Where a beef will be a assembly and name for that. I'm not disrespecting assembly. And your beef in here, the beef I in here, you never survive coronavirus. I know a lot of people are supporting any Poleeno Multimedia channel on the day. A Strongman versus Sarkodie. And that's a Strongman versus Yaa Pono. We and you say they are Strongman Sarkodie and I said Yaa Pono, but the culture of hip hop here, it should happen. What I say. So you will be able to see hip hop. Those are things that are beef and we say name the free Ghana because a drop here. You need stay. But just imagine that Strongman releasing this song to Yaa Pono. But the other way, just imagine. Strongman release the time. Strongman, you will do the chat. But there will be an starting, or the rap in one line, in the for kill it, or any of the other. Oh, now, business starting. Go lockdown in the income. And it's about Pia now, but see, I may recast. It's a many of me, because we said you I need to come out, come spy outside, no matter the apostle. Go myself is I was a beef ever. But then the beef no so I think the boy so they don't want to will go very hard or so the highest ever to form now it's here so like and also for there so this a one way there be a behind and there be also be a ubi niska ubi a here ubina or the so the thing is, do you agree with me? And I say, Odrin say beef and I will say Sarkodie and Shatta Wale no. This beef is a no to me. Name it game. The beef we need, and I say youth no. We need the urban no. We need a strong man versus or the younger Sarkodie and because Sarkodie have to see that. See the matter. When I was born, they go in a way, and disrespect. But me, I don't see anything wrong with it. A game, but in fact, he can sack and 20. Yaa Pono and a Strongman. Ping! Young